하는 거 보면
쓴다고요?
What are you guys listening right now?
그거 아니야 그냥? 네가 가서 저벅저벅 나간 거 아니야?
You probably can't hear me. What you guys see on my screen right now is YouTube being overlaid on top of any other app right now. So this is a new upgrade feature because I just updated my phone, the software that is said that there was a update. So I updated it, opened YouTube for the first time just now, and then I had to message other people. So I quickly switched apps, and I was actually surprised that YouTube was still open in the background. And I was like, wait a minute, did YouTube and Google actually listen that we wanted it running in the background? I mean, still this is in the foreground, but they're listening to us, but we want to be able to have YouTube still running so we can listen to it or some whatever, because we like to multitask. Some of us really like to multitask here. So this is what you see right on my screen is my Instagram. It's open, and this is YouTube right here. So I could